complete mixed bag, ferals and rats, over multiple sessions in November, just as it starts to get cold. Again, this is that same corner, always seems to produce. Another one down. Here's that baited up area. I keep baiting up once or twice a week in the same spots, and it seems to keep drawing the rats in every time. You go for a walk, come back, you're near enough guaranteed a rat. And they're not small. Those are size 9 boots, and they ain't small. Again, some more ferals. Numbers in the on the farm greatly reduced. So we just take 1 or 2 out when we're there, just to keep the numbers at a manageable level. Don't know what happened with that one. It looked like it hit it. It must have gone through some of the feathers. A follow-up shot soon had him down. The farmers actually started to uncover some of the silage, so I went out to look, and there was eyes popping out in different locations, so I had to stay there, take them out. Again, another feral just sat there waiting. Took him out clean. This next one, I decided to push the 177 day state MCT past the 40 mark. As you'll see by the rangefinder in a minute, it's 40, I think it's 43 yards. And again, just shows the accuracy of the pod and day state combo that I've got on here. Same baited up area again I was talking about earlier. Again, been for a walk, come back. This guy's there. Like I said, keeps producing. Here we go again with this next shot. Baited up area again. As you can tell by the timeline, quick walk around, come back, another rat there, straight down, clean down. It has worked for me this year, that baiting up approach, and it's drawing them in and keeping them to a set spots where I know my range is. Again, another medium-sized one, but cleanly executed. And then on my walk around, spotted this. This was a chance spotting. I noticed something at the corner of my eyes zipping in and out. Decided to wait, have a look. Definitely an area I'm going to be concentrating on in the future. Did take a couple out, as you'll see in this clip and the next one. But it had to be very, very quick, a very quick shot. They were zipping in and out, as you can see. And this is how alive that area was. You'll see that one twitching there, that's one I just shot. And again, one pops his head out. I had to take him out very, very quickly. Then I just wanted to show that not everything we see through the crosshairs we have to shoot. Spotted this little field mouse having a free meal. This is the area that I keep baiting up, where the rats keep coming back to. Didn't take him out, he's not on my quarry list. It was just quite nice actually to sit there and watch him. Hope you enjoyed the video. Still to come, we've got some rabbit footage from November in the cold. Also more action from the cattle farm with the rats and ferals. And we'll see how that baited up area is coming along. Feel free to subscribe.